When a cat encounters a strong or unusual smell and then opens its mouth slightly, often appearing to freeze in place with a blank or intense expression, it's performing a behavior that fascinates many observers. This is not just a reaction of surprise or distaste. What the cat is actually doing is using a specialized sensory process known as the Flamen response, a behavior found in many mammals, including big cats, horses, and even some primates. In cats, this action represents a highly evolved way of processing scent signals, and it plays a role in how they interpret and navigate their environment on a chemical level. The Flamen response is triggered when a cat encounters certain pheromones or particularly intriguing chemical compounds. Usually in the scent of another animal's urine, feces, or scent glands. Sometimes strong human scents like sweat, perfume, or even certain foods can also provoke this behavior. After sniffing the odor, the cat may pause, raise its head slightly, curl back its lips, and open its mouth as if inhaling, but this isn't a normal breath. What the cat is doing is directing the scent molecules toward a specialized organ located on the roof of its mouth, just behind the upper front teeth. This is the vomeronasal organ, also known as Jacobson's organ. Jacobson's organ serves a different function than the nose. While the nasal cavity processes general smells, the vomeronasal organ is designed to detect pheromones, chemical messages that convey social, reproductive, and territorial information. When a cat performs the Flamen response, it's essentially tasting the air, pulling the odor molecules into this second sensory channel for deeper analysis. This organ sends signals directly to parts of the brain that govern instinctual and emotional responses, allowing the cat to react in a more nuanced way to what it has smelled. The behavior may appear comical or strange to humans, but it serves a critical function in the cat's world. For instance, when a male cat detects the scent of a female in heat, the Flamen response allows him to evaluate the female's reproductive status. In multi-cat households or territories, cats use this behavior to gather information about other cats, such as their identity, gender, and whether they are stressed, healthy, or ready to mate. Even neutered cats, both male and female, still display this behavior because the vomeronasal system remains active regardless of reproductive status. It's part of a broader social and territorial toolkit. Cats may also show the Flamen response in response to non-cat scents. Some human body odors contain compounds that resemble natural pheromones, especially those found in sweat. Strong-smelling items like shoes, dirty laundry, or recently touched furniture might provoke this reaction as the cat attempts to assess and categorize the scent. Scented cleaning products, lotions, or certain foods, especially meats or fermented items, can elicit similar responses. While the smell may not have any biological significance to humans, the chemical makeup might be interesting enough to a cat's sensory system to trigger this behavior. It's important to distinguish the Flamen response from other forms of open-mouth behavior in cats. A cat that pants with its mouth open may be overheated, stressed, or experiencing respiratory distress, which is very different from the calm, analytical pose associated with the Flamen response. The key signs of the Flamen are the stillness, the focused eyes, the slightly curled lips, and the very brief period during which the mouth is open. It's often over in just a few seconds, after which the cat resumes its usual activity, perhaps with a flick of the tail or a quick rub against a surface to leave its own scent in return. Though the behavior is more often observed in male cats and those allowed to explore the outdoors, indoor cats are by no means exempt. Many owners witness it when a cat sniffs around a recently used shoe, a visitor's bag, or even a new piece of furniture. Since indoor cats have fewer novel olfactory experiences than their outdoor counterparts, a new or pungent smell indoors may be even more fascinating and worthy of deep analysis. Owners sometimes misinterpret this behavior as disgust or distaste, but it's not a negative reaction. Instead, it represents deep focus and curiosity. From a cat's perspective, every scent tells a story, and the flamen response is one of the ways they decode the messages hidden in these scents. It's a moment of chemical detective work, helping the cat to build a more detailed map of its surroundings and social context. When a cat opens its mouth after smelling something, it's not reacting in confusion or irritation. It's engaging in a sophisticated sensory ritual called the flamen response, using the vomeronasal organ to process complex scent information. This behavior is a glimpse into the hidden dimension of feline perception, where smells are not just passive experiences but essential data for survival, communication, and understanding the world. What seems like a quirky or even humorous moment is, in fact, a display of the cat's remarkable biological tools at work, tools that connect it not only to other cats but to the ancestral instincts that still govern its behavior today.